Hi guys, today we're going to be making a rabbit mask, and all you need is some glue, any type of pen, some scissors, some cotton wool and a paper plate. Draw around your head to get the shape of your head and then cut it out, and then cut yourself some bunny ears out like this, and then hopefully your face would look like this, and then you can start sticking the wool on with some glue. So guys, you're going to need to put your glue on all around your paper plate. Now guys, you need to start putting on your cotton wool. Very sticky. It's getting sticky. It's really hard to pull. You're going to need to stick these ears onto it at the back, so then you can see it when you're putting it on. Put the glue on your ears, on here, and then stick these bits on. Now you need to get a little bit of card and a black pen for the teeth. Now get a piece of tape to stick the teeth on, and you have to stick it at the back. And make sure it's sticking properly so when you're playing with it, it doesn't fall off. I'm using pipe cleaners for the whiskers. Now tape them on. If you have any, you could maybe copy my idea. It should look a little bit like this. Happy Easter, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye!